Kia ora no. Hello again, Rick here from Channel Free and Software Freedom Day Team Christchurch, New Zealand. So just a bit more information why this channel exists. You may ask, what is Software Freedom Day? It's an annual day to promote free software. The real question is, what is free software? See, free software is written with your freedoms in mind. So back in 1984, the GNU project put out the GNU Manifesto. And so I'm just going to read what GNU means. GNU, not Unix. GNU's not Unix, so it's a recursive acronym for GNU. GNU's not Unix, and GNU is an animal as its mascot symbol. So back in 1983, Richard Stallman put out the free software definition in the GNU Manifesto. So wanting to make sure that software has 4 freedoms. Freedom 0, the freedom to run the program for any purpose. Freedom 1, the freedom to study how the program works and adapt it to your needs, which means access to the source code is a precondition for this. Freedom 2, the freedom to redistribute copies so that you can help your neighbour. And Freedom 3, the freedom to improve the program and release your improvements to the public so that the whole community benefits. Access to the source code is a precondition for this. So that access to the source code leads to the term open source, and free and open source software, FOSS for short, is the acronym that the broader community uses to include free software and open source software as one common endeavour to make sure you've got quality computer software to run and have freedom from corporate control of your systems, your data, your life. And we know that's actually what most of computing is about these days. It's sapping your identity online so that you can go into a commercial database for being marketed to, advertising purposes. It's the main activity via the different software interfaces that people know too well, beginning with G, F, M. I won't go on, but that's why free software exists, so you've got actual alternative of quality and security to run on your operating system. Unix dates back to the West Coast USA original space aeronautics industry, the first computers say that flew people to the moon, and it's better quality, designed by scientists for science and not a commercial product like the main computer desktops and cell phone operating systems of today are, other than Android, which is related, or actually Linux, GNU Linux inside. So to understand what the masses are using for telecommunications, you need to understand GNU Linux, GNU Linux, and free software as the heart, the originating point of that. So the Software Freedom Day exists to explain this, to get you interested in an international day of celebration and further information, building up community around free software. I'm going to provide links below this video for you to look up, get more information about what free software is and why Software Freedom Day celebrates it. It's backed by the Digital Freedom Foundation. I'm a board member as of this week, so I'll be helping with Freedom Pocky and whoever else wants to come on board to keep Software Freedom Day growing around the world. And I look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care. Kia ora koutou. Bye for now.